thing named trap dancehall. Yeah. Trap music is trap music and dancehall is dancehall. So you can't take two genres and make one. What name, sir? You can't have reggae soca. You hear them try soca like you want to mix soca with reggae. No, you can't do that. You don't have medley music.
Okay.
You couldn't have rap trap. So you have dancehall trap. That is like stealing people's music to make one.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Well, hello there, welcome back, viewers. You don't know the thing already. If this is the very first time to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so once we drop a video, you shall get the alert. So people who know say from the Grand Godzilla, Bounty Killer, the poor people, governor talk. Yo, he mean what he say. And this topic right here, the governor is very passionate about it. Bounty Killer said there is no such thing as trap dancehall, dancehall a dancehall, and trap music a trap music. I not go on like you don't want to try merge the two. I want to try deal with it. You understand? You don't go on like you don't want to try sell out dancehall. You better allow dancehall alone. Basically is what the governor has said. Yes, what I say. Because I can think of it. Yo, I think Dragon King say a trap dancehall him do. But the governor said there is no such thing. And then there's another one we call himself Black Sun or Black One or Black Pan or Black Pot Cover or something like that. Yeah, who say a trap dancehall him do. But when you hear the governor talk, yo, the general talk, there is no such thing as trap dancehall. So please let me know one thing in the comment section. Do you think trap music should be trap music and dancehall should be dancehall? Or is it okay that these artists are trying to come say yo, them and merge the thing and try to change up the dancehall music? You see? Touch me down in the comment section. Let me know if Bounty Killer is right or what you not think. You see? Watch you now. So people, Devin the Doctor. I don't know what going with Devin the Doctor, but yo, Devin the Doctor posted to his Instagram a photograph and him post a caption with it, and people, the photograph is sparking all kind of controversy. Yes, what I say? The photograph is causing all kind of controversy because Devin the Doctor is rocking a granny dress or a granny nightie and a wig. But apparently, for me, I feel like it's a music video. Yeah, but the people them just not having it. Let's take a look at some of the comments where the people them are post under Devin the Doctor's image. Jano style. But before we even get to the comments, make we take a look at Devin's caption for the photograph. It says, ain't nothing wrong with transformation. Be confident and do you. Always wanted to share this side of me. Friday you will see. Open your mind. Create, don't hate. Devin the Doctor. Now, that is the reason why me feel like it's a music video, you know, peeps. So peeps, music video or not, the fans just not having it. And the fans go in for Devin the Doctor in the comment section. Well, some of them, seeing, and this person commented and said, so are this dancehall gone to? Forget to hit your outfit, drop your standard. Instead of do this, find back some creative lyrics and a good producer when now do the hip-hop or computerized crap. That's the way that person commented. Also, there were a bunch of other comments. As me say, some of them I say, yeah, you're creative, me like your style, me like how you try something different. But at the same time, there were some who still just not having it, like this one, for example. So this next person commented and said, brother, you're telling me this guy who won $1 million at Magnum Kings and Queen turned out to be one misleading character in today's music? Brother, you're a bad artist. And me say, bad. Fire. Me say enough artists never have good management and still come out to be one of dancehall's main chamber. Brother, you have to firm and stop go the wrong way. Yes, I mean I say. So the people them just don't like Devin the Doctor's new image what him a come with. You overstand? Now as me say, some people can identify that it's a music video because as him say, Friday you will understand. And what we realize with social media these days, everybody are trying to spark up some controversy, spark up some discussion, spark up some people to talk about them, you know, until the song drop. So when the song drop Friday now and the music video drop Friday now, everybody are gonna run to go see what this was all about. Yes, me I say, so we all know say it's a stunt, you see it, but some people are say, yo, Devin the Doctor take it too far. He was a talented artist enough, him not really need to do that. You see, Devin definitely talented. Let's take a look at one little short snippet of Devin.
My girl when name Crystal, she pretty like a fella. Melanie and Ebony, I said them love me melody, so Jerry cannot play and make a girl. Tell you no me have the most girl. In a the my girl when name Crystal, she pretty like a fella. Melanie and Ebony, I said them love me melody, so Jerry cannot play and make a girl. Listen, Candy got a crush, so she running on me temple. She looking like a lady, so me have to do it gentle. The way you me at me see she can't manage the heat. Me think say she did that retreat. Me see she call a couple friends to chop. Me get a twin, Natandra and Cassandra. All Nicki Minaj just say she want me and Nakanda. Boom shalasum gosh man. The girl them love that slang, and when them hear it, them jump up like a janga. Me and Denick did a walk in a lane. Pan my corner, me see a girl a pass, so me shout hi Shana. She cried I water cause she know I gonna make she ride yama like Jai's daughter. Pan the beach, I mean the lady saw she never see seal. She come over to me. I say she want me steal. She tell me say it tougher than the steel. For real, a boom shalasum.
Hold on, no. Hold on. I say the man definitely talented. You see it. So there is no need for pull stunts or none of them thing there. Forget a little bit of notoriety. You see me I say. And plus Devin the Doctor is already well known. But anyway, people, when I don't know, talk to me down in the comment section. Let me know what you think, share your views and phone thoughts on this. Should Devin the Doctor have to pull stunts? Is it okay that he is doing it? And definitely dressing as a female. Me no know, you don't know it go when it comes to Jamaicans already. And we know say you gotta have the people that go and say, yo, somehow the two bias as Jamaicans. But watch ya, it's on Top of the TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.